And I'm extremely excited because I went to the mailbox and this was in the mail. So we're gonna go ahead and open them up and see what we have. But I have a total of 7 packages, and I couldn't wait to get to it so I can show you guys what we have in stored and how powerful direct mail marketing is. Again, for those that don't know, I've been doing direct mail marketing since 2016, and it was one of my ways out for me to leave my job. You know, I never went back. I've been out of working for someone since 2016. I never turned around and looked back, and I'm just extremely grateful for it. But I'm happy that I can share this story with others because, hey Lucy, because I want people to know that if you truly want to get out of your job, you can do so. And the way to do so is by just being consistent and starting with a reputable company. So here we have a total of three books of stamps. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and 3 books of stamps means that I'm looking around because I'm in my car. I'm visiting my friend and the kids are so loud, so I came to the car. Somebody started at the black level, as you can see here. The black level is the $300 level, and we have a total of $300 that was sent to the mail. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83. And guys, remember, these are cash payments that you receive in this program. So it's exciting now to go to the mailbox and I can know if I get a check or if I get cash, and it's consistent. Okay, so I'm going to be showing probably weekly results at least twice a week. And then in between time, I'm going to just be giving out value and informative videos that teaches you how to be consistent and how to start earning consistently with direct mail marketing. So here I have another one that came in the mail, and let's see what we have here. We have another person that came in at the black level. And guys, I told you guys before, the black level is like the most common level. That's the level that most people are going to come in at. They're going to come in at that level. So here I have 3 books of stamps. 1, 2, 3. So today so far, 6 books of stamps. So that means that when I start to do my mailings for the week, I'm not going to have to pay hardly anything out of pocket because I'm going to use the stamps that came in the mail that comes from people that participate. And here we have $300. 1, 2, and 3. $300. Okay. And this was another black level Pearl member. Okay, so then we have here a bigger envelope. I'm gonna open it up. And I tell people all the time, come in at the level that you're most comfortable with. Each person is different, but don't decide not to start because you can't come in as high as you want. You can come in and work your way up. And then not only that, the company allows you to upgrade where you just pay the difference if you come in within 30 days from the time you start. So if you start at the $150 level and you want to upgrade within 30 days, you just pay the difference. So I'd rather people start instead of waiting until they have all of the money, you know. Hey Elizabeth, hey Zach, how you doing Zach? Hey Josh. So here I got 2 books of stamps. 2 books of stamps, guys. And this person came in at the blue level, which is the $150 level. So here's the information for that. And we got a total of 100, 20, 40, 50, $150. And this is at the blue level. That payment came in from Brina. Thanks for joining, Brina. And guys, when you join, please make sure to get me your bio. It could be like 3 to 5 sentences, nothing long and extravagant, along with your photo so I can do your cover letter. So if you notice that I got your package in the mail or it went out already, please make sure to get me that information so that I can complete your cover letter, okay? So no matter what level you come in at, you need a cover letter, so make sure you reach out to me. So here's 1 book of stamps. 1 book of stamps. And we have here another person that came in at the red level. And we have a total of $20, $40, $50. That's at the lowest level. Okay, congratulations to Tiffany. Make sure to send me the information for your cover letter. Michael, that's not true. I've been doing direct mail marketing for a while. I don't know where you got that information from, but please go on another channel with that. Please don't give false information on my Facebook Live. I would really appreciate that. Let's see what else we have going on here. We have a total of 3 books of stamps. 1, 2, 3. Thank you, Alexandra. This is not 30-day success formula. I am not in that program. People ask me all the time. I decided not to join that program for a lot of reasons, and I have a video about the comparisons of 6-Figure Stamp Club and a 30-day success formula. If you would like to take a look at that video, just request it and I'll send it over to you. So I have another person that came in at the black level. Congratulations to Amber. And a total of $300. 1, 2, and 3. $300 at the black level. This is an exciting Monday for me. Mondays normally are not this busy for me. So this is really, really exciting. Yes, Tiffany, yay to you. Yes, I got your package. Make sure you send me over your information for your cover letter. Okay, so I have another package I'm opening now. Here's another one that came in the mail. And another black level. Black is popular, guys. The black level is popular. So we got another carry that came in at the black level. So I had 2 carries join at the black level. 1, 2, 3. 3 books of stamps. Okay. And oh, she sent it to the wrong person. Okay. It's, oh, nope, this is right. $100. So this came in from a person on my team. This was a pass up. So this person joined from somebody on my team, and I received $100 at the second level. Okay, so you do also receive payouts from the efforts of your teammates, and that's what this $100 is from. So thanks again, Carrie. Last but not least, we got Demetrius. Congratulations to Demetrius. Hey, Vince. Keisha, how you doing? So we have here, we're opening up another cash payment. And oh, another thing, people ask me, do you have to get a P.O. box? No, it's up to you. It's at your own discretion. So if you don't mind people sending stuff to your personal address, you can do so. But if you feel uncomfortable, I would say to get a P.O. box. It costs like $70 for the entire year. It's extremely affordable, okay? So Demetrius came in at the red level, and I got 1 book of stamps and a total of $50, okay? Michael, this is not 30-day success formula. Please, Michael. Hey, Keisha. Thanks so much for tuning in. So, total for today, which is extremely exciting. We're going to go ahead. I'm going to give you guys a total. And then please make sure to keep a lookout for my video tonight, where I'll be going over all of the different levels, what's involved, what are the best ways to market, how many mailings you should be sending out per month. I'm going to go over all of that tonight, okay? So please make sure you look out for that video. And we have a total of, let's see here. Today was a great day, a great Monday. So we have a total of 300, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So $1,000, like $1,000 and $200, $1,200 today, guys, from direct mail marketing. Okay. Not only that, I received a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 books of stamps. 16 books of stamps, okay? Jason, yes, I did put that in the mail today. So So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing a raffle the end of this week, where a person that joins me at the $300 level or above is going to be able to receive stamps from me. Okay, because I got so many of them. I'm going to do that for someone that joins my team sometime next week. Okay, so that'll be a perk. Not only will you get the cover letter, you will get the books of stamps, additional leads, and I'm going to also send you a what do you call it, a address stamp. So for the return address, you'll get the stamp where you can just plop that on the front of your mailings. Okay, so that's going to be the giveaway this week for those who come in at the $300 level or higher for this direct mail marketing program. Okay, so thank you to everyone that joined. I will be back with you guys again sometime this week. Make sure that you enjoy your week. Stay inspired. Stay blessed. Okay. Know that when people are earning online or offline, all they did is they started with a vision. And then from that vision, they stayed consistent. And consistency really is the key to any business that you're in, whether it's online or offline. You just can't give up easy. You can't say, oh, it's not working because it doesn't work as fast as you want. And that's one thing. I was committed to the process, and being committed is what allowed me to start generating a full-time income. So, you know, guys, I've had a lot of days where I've made $1,200, $1,500, $2,000. Okay, and it really makes you humble, and you have so much gratitude for the experience. And it wasn't always like this for me. In 2015, I did so bad. And most of 2016, I did so bad. But what I decided to do was to stay with one program and keep consistent until I started seeing the results that I wanted. Okay, and that's what it really boils down to. It's not about having all the skill sets and learning everything that's out there, because really, I just want people to know you're not going to learn everything. It's just too much within the industry to learn. And that's what it was. I felt like I was going to earn because I didn't know everything. Okay, and then I realized I don't need to know everything. I just need to know how to implement a few things over and over and over again to get the results that I'm looking for. And that's what changed my life. You know, I just really stayed focused on a few things, and I worked it consistently. My mailings, I always did my mailings. I always had a cover letter. Whatever I said I was going to do, I did it. I had a plan. I would write down every weekend what I was going to do for the following week. And that's what it really boils down to, is about staying consistent, and you'll start to see the results. And then it just has a snowball effect. It's a little bit that turns into more, and then a lot. And then you become addicted to the results. So you keep doing what you need to do in order to bring the results in. Okay, so I just want to share that with people. I will speak more about it when I have my when I do my video tonight on YouTube, and I will make sure to put that in the comment section so you guys can actually have a look at the video. Kaylee, I will go ahead and check that message when I get back in. But thanks so much, guys, for tuning in, and have a great week. Stay inspired and stay blessed.